falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night. Shouting, screaming, finding.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Rumill. Today we are doing a wig install with the one and only UNice Amazon. They sent me over one of their newest bobs, so let's unbox her. So this is their 12-inch 7x5 black layered bob. And as you can see, here's the paper test. The lace looks really good. Everything has been done for you. It's been pre-cut, pre-tinted, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. Look at how soft this Yaki texture is. It's very silky, very soft. There's no stiffness anywhere. So here's a look at the inside of the wig. It comes with a drawstring here at the bottom. Here's a better look at that 7x5 lace inside. It looks really good. I love that they have these elastic anti-slip strips at the top of the wig here, so you don't have to worry about the wig slipping and sliding. It also comes with an adjustable band here, and there is one wig comb located at the very back of the wig. The wig has a fresh scent. It doesn't smell factory or anything like that. The density of this wig is 150 and it's 100% human hair. Okay, so before I put on the wig, I'm just gonna adjust this drawstring here. I like to make mine really tight. I also really like that this cap is very stretchy and breathable. I forgot to mention that earlier. So it's safe for all head sizes. I'm considered a small and it fits me really good, especially with this adjustable strap and drawstring. So yeah, now that I got this adjusted, I'm gonna turn the lace inside out. And I'm gonna go in with my matte Ruby Kisses powder foundation in the color 13. I love to touch up my lace inside of my wigs with this. I just feel like it helps with blending with my skin tone. So I just touch it up really quick. You really don't have to do much with these wigs because they are considered glueless and wear and go. So honestly, once I do this, it really is like nothing to do. Okay, now that we got that done, I'm just gonna go in with my powder foundation on the top here to touch it up.
Alex, Ebbs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when
Even though I didn't do anything to the lace, I like to wear the band while I style because I feel like it just helps the lace like melt into your skin. I don't know why, but it's just something that I like to do. Just gonna touch up the top a little bit since it has been sitting in a box. I'm also just gonna get like a few of those wrinkles out here up top or here in the front. I do like that the wig is already layered and face framed, so that's nice. So next I'm gonna go in with my ORS wax stick. That just helps with the hot comb. it to really lay down the top.
One of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
And I mean, that step is optional. You don't have to do that, but I just feel like it is the icing on the cake if you want your wigs to look super, super good. So now I'm gonna take my flat iron and I'm just gonna touch up the few pieces up front.
It's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when.
And just like that, we're done, you guys. So simple, so easy. Now we're just gonna take this band off. I mean, it literally took me like 5 minutes. And then once I take the band off, I don't like how it has the lace kind of pushed up. So I like to go in and just flatten that. You don't have to do that, but this is what I like to do.
When we wake up, and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice.
Okay, so I touched up the top just a little bit with the hot comb, just to get out the dents up there. This is what it looks like. And it's 7 by 5, so this is how it looks side to side. This is what it looks like from the side. It's giving Barbie. I don't know if it's because my top is pink, but it's giving Barbie. And the back.
Won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
She's gorgeous. I love this so much. And of course, I gotta test it for you guys. She is 100% glueless. It's really, really snug on my head, and I love that. It feels comfortable. And you could even do like a cute little claw clip, half up, half down. Bring some hair, take a little bit back. And I like it like kind of messy, you know? So cute. So cute. And then just take the brush. Let me go grab a claw clip, but this is gonna be really cute. And let me show you the back. This is literally such a cute style. Took me like 10 seconds to do. Everything is just really easy. I'm a mom, I gotta move quick, but I also wanna look cute, okay? So this concludes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I will have everything about this bob listed in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.